Sandra Koschel, your business tour guide. So do you know what Monday is? It's the 30th of June, and that means it's almost a new financial year. We accountants are getting ready to party and celebrate. So today I thought we'd cover what you as an employer and business owner need to be doing in the early part of the new financial year. Okay, well first of all, if you're an employer and you hire staff, you have to give those PAYG payment summaries, or what we used to call the old group certificates, to your staff by the 14th of July. That's your deadline for that. Now you have to give those summaries and the statement as well to the tax office by the 14th of August. So something new this year, for those of you that used to send that information to the tax office on a disk or flash drive, they're not accepting that anymore from this year, and for the first time this year you can do that electronically with your AusKey, or of course you can still remit those by paper. So let's talk about superannuation. You have to pay the superannuation for the June quarter for your staff by the 28th of July. That's really important because if you don't get a tax deduction for it, and you can be hit with late lodgement penalties and interest as well. The other thing that's happening with super from the 1st of July is that the super guarantee charge, that's the compulsory amount that you have to pay for super for your staff, is increasing from 9.25% to 9.5%. So don't forget about that one, it's important. Also from 1 July, the government's new system called SuperStream is coming in. Now I'm finding that not many employers know about this, but it's a system that they're bringing in to make it more efficient, and really it's making employers report super contributions for their staff to the super funds electronically, which has never been the case before. So if you have 20 or more staff, it comes in from 1 July this year, but you do have 12 months to get it going on, okay? If you have 19 or less staff, it doesn't come in until next year, 1 July 2015, and you do have a year to get it going on. But it's really important, and it is compulsory, so if you don't know about it, make it your business to find out about it. Now the tax rates are changing yet again on the 1st of July. You may have recalled from my federal budget update that they are bringing in a temporary budget repair levy. That's for high income over $180,000. The tax bracket there is increasing by 2% from 45% to 47%. Also, the basic Medicare levy that everyone has to pay is increasing by 0.5%, so it'll be 2% now from the 1st of July. So what does that mean for you as an employer? Well, it means that before you do your first pay run, you've really got to make sure that you've got your hands on the new tax tables. If you're still looking it up on paper tax tables, you need the new ones. And if you use software to do your payroll, you'll need to make sure that you download that before you do your first pay run. So finally, let's not underplay that it is a new financial year. And just like we set personal goals for ourselves and resolutions at New Year's, I encourage you all to do the same for your business. So take the time to step away and work on your business, not just in the business at this time of year, and set some SMART goals. So that's specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, timely goals. So that's all we have time for today. Please join me in my next episode. Until then, enjoy your business travels.